90% of people doing pull-ups are building bigger arms, not a bigger back. That's why some people can do 20 pull-ups and still look flat in a shirt. No width, no thickness, no demon back. And the craziest part? Most of them think they're training correctly. See, your back is the muscle group that changes your entire presence. A wide back makes your waist look smaller, makes your physique look athletic, powerful, dangerous. It creates that V-taper everybody wants, but very few build. And if your workouts feel stuck right now, if you've been training hard but your back still refuses to grow, this video is probably the missing piece. Because today, I'm going to show you why your back isn't growing, the exact mistakes killing your progress, and the calisthenics exercises that actually build that 3D monster look. But first, there's one mistake almost every beginner makes that silently destroys back growth, and it has nothing to do with effort. We'll come back to that in a minute. The first mistake is simple. You're not training your back. Your arms are doing everything. A lot of people hear pull and instantly pull with the biceps. So every rep becomes an arm exercise. That's why after pull-ups, your forearms are burning, your biceps are pumped. But your lats feel completely dead. Your back can't grow if it never receives tension. Elite athletes understand this principle. Muscles grow from tension and control, not just movement. And this is something most fitness channels never explain. The goal isn't to complete the rep. The goal is to make the target muscle suffer. Big difference. Next time you do pull-ups, stop thinking about pulling yourself upward. Instead, think about driving your elbows down toward your ribs. That one mental cue changes everything. Suddenly, your lats activate. Your back tightens, and the movement feels completely different. That's called mind-muscle connection. And honestly, most people have none. They train on autopilot. Rep after rep, set after set. Zero awareness. Then, they wonder why nothing changes after months of work. Here's a quick test. Close your eyes during a slow pull-up. Can you actually feel your lats stretching and contracting? Or do you only feel your arms? Because if you can't feel the muscle, you probably can't grow the muscle efficiently. Now here's where things get interesting. Even if your pull-ups are good, your back can still look flat. Why? Because width alone is not enough. And this is the mistake almost nobody talks about. Most people only do vertical pulling. Pull-ups, chin-ups, maybe lat pull-downs. But they completely ignore rows. That's exactly why their physique lacks depth. A demon back is built from two dimensions: width and thickness. Width gives you wings. Thickness gives you armor. Without rows, your back never develops that dense 3D look. From the side, it still looks small. And if you've ever seen someone with a back that looks massive from every angle, trust me, they mastered rowing movements. Australian pull-ups are one of the most underrated exercises in calisthenics. Simple, brutal, effective, and most people never take them seriously. Huge mistake. Control every rep. Pause at the top. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. That squeeze matters more than speed. Remember that. Because later I'm going to explain the one training principle that separates people who transform from people who stay average for years. Now let's talk about the actual structure. If you want a wider back, pull-ups must become your priority. Not random exercises. Not fancy variations for social media. Basic pull-ups done correctly. Full stretch at the bottom. Explosive pull upward. Controlled negative. 3 hard sets to failure. Not fake failure. Real failure. The kind where your body wants to quit but your mind keeps fighting. That's where transformation starts. Then for thickness, Australian pull-ups. 3 sets to failure. Slow tempo. Perfect form. And chin-ups? Most people think they're only for biceps. Wrong. When performed properly, chin-ups hit the lower lats and upper back incredibly well. especially if you focus on elbow drive and control. Again, 3 hard sets. Now, earlier I mentioned there was one hidden reason most people never build an impressive back. Here it is. They rush every rep. Half reps. Swinging. Momentum. Cheating. They turn training into survival instead of stimulation. Listen carefully. Your muscles do not count reps. They only understand tension. 1 controlled pull-up is worth more than 5 ugly ones. That's why advanced athletes often look stronger while doing fewer reps. Their execution is elite. This is the difference between exercising and training. There's a story I'll never forget. A skinny kid started training at a local park. Every day he'd crank out sloppy pull-ups trying to impress everyone. Months passed. Nothing changed. Then one older athlete stopped him and said something simple. Slow down and earn every rep. At first his numbers dropped badly. But within weeks, his back started growing for the first time. Because tension finally reached the muscle. That lesson changes everything. And here's another truth most people avoid. Progressive overload is mandatory. If your workouts look the same every week, your body has no reason to adapt. More reps. Harder variations. Longer pauses. Better control. You must improve something consistently. Discipline is progression repeated daily. That's it. No magic program. No secret genetics. Just relentless improvement. And if you're serious about transforming your body, understand this now. Your back is not just another muscle group. It's a symbol of discipline, of strength, of resilience. Because nobody sees the work immediately. You build it in silence. Rep by rep, day after day. Until one day your physique walks into the room before you do. So the next time you train, stop chasing random workouts. Train with intention. Feel every rep. Control every inch. Earn your progress. Because average training creates average bodies. But disciplined training? That creates something different. Something powerful. Something undeniable. Stick to this for the next 60 days. And your back won't just look bigger. Your entire presence will change.